bet y'all miss me doing that. But I'm gonna try to start bringing that back. I'm gonna try to start remembering that. So, as you know, this video is about Miss Keisha's. Miss Keisha's, oh, this is Dizzi. She's right here. She is now 1 year old. She turned 1 year old on August 2nd. So, yeah, she's 1 year and 2 months, I think. Oh, wait, August, September, October. Wait, September, October, November. So 3 months. So yeah, that's what Miss Keisha's is doing. I'm about to make some hot chocolate, and then we're gonna get into the video. Oh y'all, I like my hair today. Look, it's in braids, but it's like it's cute or whatever. I curled like, that's Dizzi. I curled like the top two, like the 2 pieces of my hair on the bottom. It looks super cute. So yeah, but we're about to be making some hot chocolate. Some of this, I don't know if I'm allowed to include brands on my channel. Oh, Dizzi! Oh, the powder spilled! The powder spilled! And you know that stuff is like chocolate. So, Dizzi, oh, dang. Oh, well, oh. I wasn't expecting that. Ooh. I think it should be good. Oh, ooh. It's right here. It spilled right here. And some of it fell on the floor, and Dizzi tried to lick it. I think she got some, but it should be good, Dizzi. They can't eat, like, I looked it up. It has to be very, like, large amounts for it to have, like, any effect or something. But yeah, I'm about to go get my cup. Okay, so I couldn't find my cup, but I found my grandma's. So, same thing. I'm about to see. I forgot how you make hot chocolate. Wait. Okay, Kali. What? I don't know how to. I'm gonna just put some water in there. Wait, okay, there's instructions over here. Y'all see that? I'm gonna see. No, y'all can barely see them words. Wait, let me focus it. Y'all can see it a little bit now. I reversed like the whole clip, so it should be good. This video ain't about my hot cocoa, so I'm gonna just pause. I'm gonna just wait until we're done. So this is the talk of the show. I am talking loudly so you can hear me over the microwave. So yeah, this is the woman of the show though. Ooh, I'm sorry. She right here. But we about to make some hot chocolate because of the festive times of the year. Okay, so we're gonna okay, wait. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about some of Dizzi's numerous accomplishments and like what's been happening over the past couple months, cause y'all ain't seen her in, I'll insert something, but y'all ain't seen her in a while, so I'll be updating you on what's been going on in Dizzi on the Love Marie Lee's life. So she got to this point where she was like peeing on the pad like all the time. It was so great, it was so nice, it was so great. But then she started regressing and like she started getting all weird and she was just so she just started regressing, and she went back. She was peeing everywhere, pooping everywhere. It was disgusting, very disgusting. But she can at least poop outside. She's not like fully potty trained, like she doesn't only go outside. She still has her pad, but she does know that she can go outside, and she does feel comfortable going outside. But Miss Keisha's, you're gonna have to be up here for this. Miss Keisha's, oh, let me grab my dog. She has decided that she likes peeing, I repeat, peeing on people's beds. She has peed on my bed at least 5 times. Twice in like one time she peed like twice in 1 week. 3 times actually. Trace. Like how what? Miss Keisha's, how could you? Why would you? No. But yeah, apparently she decided she was just going to go berserk and pee on my bed. And she peed on my carpet. But like, she started becoming in my room when she was a little older. And next week, y'all will be getting a room tour. Next week, y'all will, I was checking a message. Next week, y'all will be getting a room tour. When we put my baseboards down, because my room got changed. Yeah, it's gonna be super cute. Yeah. So Dizzi has been doing quite well. Dizzi's been doing very good. She kind of knows her place. She's very comfortable around here. She's always been comfortable around here. She's always been top dog. She's just very happy, very comfortable. Yeah. She might have ate some ant poison today, but like I prayed and rebuked it, so it should be okay. It should be okay. Yeah. Miss Keisha's, you want to come up here? Or Miss Keisha's? I guess she doesn't, but like, she doesn't bite anymore. She went through this whole little teething stage, but like, she doesn't bite anymore, which is nice. I enjoy the no constant biting. I'm getting some marshmallows for my drink. But yeah, I enjoy the like no more biting thing, because she was just a really big biter and was quite annoying. It used to frustrate me a lot. But this has just become a nice little independent woman, and I love her. She's such a good dog. This is one of me and my favorite pictures with her. Like, this is my favorite picture I have with her. I'm gonna put it like right here. Yeah. It's also my lock screen. I'm gonna put my lock screen right here. But yeah, she's just been really good. So I'm about to insert some pictures of Miss Keisha's. Bye guys. Peace and love. Also praise the Lord. My last video, my video of her, like when she was a baby, when she was younger, will be down there in the description, the link below. So yeah, click that. Bye. And enjoy the slideshow. I meant to put up peace.